If you're ready to start making money with ChatGPT and a free AI tool, you're in the right place. Michael here, and in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step how you can start earning money with AI tools. You're going to be getting the Digital Playbook, which includes done for you emails, done for you videos, a list of 130 plus AI tools, and all kinds of really cool stuff that we actually use ChatGPT to generate. We can actually drive traffic to things that we get paid to promote with these AI generated posts. All the stuff I'm going to be showing you in today's video is pretty copy and paste. So you don't have to worry about being an expert. You don't have to have a fancy computer, and you don't really have to have any money to get started. All you have to do is use a checklist that I'm going to be giving you for free today that's going to help you get started step by step with everything that you need to start earning money online. Now, if you want all this stuff, by the way, all you have to do is drop a comment, let me know you're taking action, subscribe, and I will actually send you access to all of this right now. So let's go ahead and dive in. If we see here, first thing you want to do once you get the Digital Playbook is just go to digitalplaybook.com, put in your first name, email address, and then you'll get taken to a page that will allow you to get a free tool or software that allows us to do pretty much everything that we are going to be going over in this video. This software is called Go High Level. So if you don't already have it, just go ahead and sign up for 30-day free trial. Let's say within the 30 days, you don't make any money or you don't want to keep doing it, you can obviously cancel. Next thing is for step 2 is you're going to want to, you don't have to, but if you can get a free kickoff call where you can get on a call with me and I will help you set everything up and make sure everything is up and running for you to start driving traffic to different short form content. Now, you don't have to do that if you just want to go ahead and watch this full free course that I have that will take you to step by step of what a sub account is, how to import your snapshot, funnel, and kind of a daily checklist of what you should be doing every single day. Now, if you don't join the kickoff call, what you're going to want to do is you want to, first step 4 is import a snapshot. And what a snapshot is it is going to allow you to import everything that I'm using as far as my funnels, as far as my automations, what kind of messages that I'm using. This will allow you to import that all into your account so you'll have access straight to it. So if you don't hop onto the kickoff call, well, I can take you step by step. What you'll do is once you hit import, you will then get taken to your software screen, which is going to look like this, or the launch pad. And the 3 things that I want to cover are going to be marketing, automations, and sites. Sites is where the funnel is going to be. Automations, that's where the different email automations and sequences are. And then marketing is going to be where you're going to be able to schedule out your short form content. So let's go ahead and take a look at the funnels. So this funnel right here, Digital Playbook Snapshot funnel, is just going to be the link or whatever you're going to be driving traffic to. And you can pick any one of the different AI tools, but for this case, new free AI side hustle, just some sort of header. And then you're going to want a 5-7 minute video kind of explaining what the tool is and how it works. Because a lot of these people are going to be coming from your short form content, and then you're going to want a pop-up or opt-in page that's going to allow you to get their first name and email. And once they do that, that will push them straight into the automation. Moving over to the automation side of it, the main automation that we want to be focusing on is going to be the new email opt-in. And so when someone goes to that page, puts in their information, they're going to be put into this email sequence, which is going to be sending them emails every day, promoting whichever AI tool that you decide to pick or drive traffic to or create content. Now, for you to be able to get paid on the promotion of these tools, you're going to need to get something called an affiliate link, which you're going to be able to put into these emails. And as you can see in these emails, there are going to be hyperlinks right here or clickable links where there's something that says a custom value. Now, what a custom value is, it allows you to put in your link in one place and then it populates wherever this parentheses custom value link is. Now, how you get to be able to do that is we want to go back here, go over to settings, and then we're going to click on custom values. And then what you're going to want to do is just create new custom value, put the name, and then where the value is, that's where your affiliate link will go. I'm not going to create one because I already have one. And this is what it looks like, something like this, affiliate link, boom. So once you have the backend set up plus the front end, now we need to go to step 5, which is start using short form content to post. Now right here is a list of already done for you content. You can go ahead and click, download this, and then schedule it out in the marketing section of the Go High Level software. Now for you to be able to write captions or anything like that, I suggest using a tool like ChatGPT, and then just, you could pick a caption about whatever. So on engage a caption, do something like this. And then at the very end, you would put respond yes, and I'll send you the link. So this is going to be driving engagement by people commenting. And then it's also going to drive engagement to your link or URL, which is going to get people into your funnel. Now, depending on the list that you choose, that's going to kind of determine the short form content that you want to be downloading and creating. And right here is a list of over 130 plus different AI tools that you were able to promote. We have chatbots, social media tools, SEO, image tools, different ones. Up here, the top picks are the ones that I'm using. We have Go High Level, Leonardo, which is image generator, motion generator, Descript. This is a tool that I use for all my video editing. Pixels, thumbnail generator, vidIQ. I mean, there's just plenty of tools that you can choose from. And to get to become an affiliate for this tool, let's just take Go High Level, for example. Most of these tools, if you scroll down to the very bottom, they will have something where you can become an affiliate. So all you would need to do is just become an affiliate, and then you will get some type of URL or link that looks like this that you can put into that custom variables spot, which will populate into all of your emails. Last thing I want to touch on is just going over to the marketing section, where you're going to be able to schedule out all your content. So this is called the social planner, and they have other tools that allow you to schedule out content. I like this tool because it's kind of like an all-in-one solution, where the email automations, the social planner, and everything is just in this one AI software. So if you click on calendar, you'll see that I have a bunch of content already scheduled out right here. And for you to be able to do that, all you want to do is connect your different social media platforms right here. And then you will be able to hit create new post, pick the social media accounts that you want, and then use ChatGPT, figure out what your call to action needs to be. Click on video, put that right here. And then all you would need to do, click reel, schedule it out, and then boom. Obviously post now, but this tool helps you get a bunch of content out to a bunch of different social media platforms. Now, if you're just starting out, you don't need to have as many as I do. I really just would focus on maybe the 2 or 3 main ones, like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. But if you can start creating content now and driving traffic, you will be able to see results. Step 1, get that free trial. If you don't like it, cancel it anytime. Second is get that free kickoff call with me. I highly recommend doing this just because I've been doing this for a while, and there is a learning curve with setting everything up. And this will just help you start taking action a lot quicker. Here's a free course that you can go through, watch it on your own time. Import that snapshot that's going to give you everything that I'm using. Bunch of content that you can already start posting, but obviously You can get in front of the camera, like the video that you just saw of me, and start creating content yourself. And then here is a list of a bunch of different AI tools that you can start promoting. But obviously, if you're in a different niche, like fitness, you can pick some type of fitness tool or whatever. The whole idea is that I'm just giving you a framework that I'm doing in my own company that has been working for me. So if you have any questions, let me know, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.